Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will just show you quickly how to cancel NordVPN in just a few seconds. So first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to head to Nord account login and open billing section. This is on NordVPN account right here. Just log in right here. And then when in billing, as you can see right here, you will need to click on billing and then subscriptions. And then here you'll be able to manage auto renewal. Now, once you click manage auto renewal, you can choose to cancel auto renewal. What this will do is this will cancel auto renewal, and next time you want to renew NordVPN, it will be actually canceled and you won't be billed for the next month, right? So this is how you can do it. Billing, subscriptions, then you click manage, and then you will have cancel auto renewal. You can also contact support just to cancel the entire thing right off the bat. I mean, that's also an option. But other than that, if you have any issues or maybe comments, you can comment down below. And if you want more videos on VPNs, you can comment down below which videos you want to see next, and I'll create a video about those VPNs. Other than that, we're posting 5 different videos a day. So if you want to see more, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.